Welcome my students, how are you? Today we'll solve a lot of questions from معاصر book. Okay, pay attention about me. Question number 1, complete. Letter A, if 2166 divided by 6 equals 361, then the divisor is 6. 6 is the divisor. 2166 is dividend. 361 was quotient. 9342 divided by 3 is closer to. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, and we can write 30 here. So let's do 3000. Okay, again 9342 is closer to 3000 because 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 9 lies in 1000, so the result will be 3000. 10 multiply 3 plus 15 divided by 5, it's order operation. We must do division and multiplication first. The last step we can find is adding about the result. 10 multiply 3 equals 30 and 15 divided by 5 equals 3, and the result will be 33. 2 over 3 equals space over 9. 3 multiply 3 equals 9. So 2 multiply 3 equals 6. 2.4 equals space 10th. It will be 24. 24 because 2.4 it's equal 24 over 10. And 24 over 10 it's meaning 24 tenths. It's meaning 24 tenths. Okay. 5 and 500. 5 and 500. It's meaning 5.0 and 5. Question number 2. Write true or false about this question. Write true to the correct statement and false to the incorrect statement. Letter A. Line plot often used when the data choose numbers or measurements. It's true. Again, line plot often used when the data choose the number or measurements. It's true. We can using line plot to measurements or to data. Letter B. 2 plus 10 subtract 8 equal 3 times 4 subtract 8. True or false? We must find the result first here. 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 equal 12. 12 subtract 8 equal 4. 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 subtract 8 equal 4. So the result we must write here 12. True, because the result was 4 and here the result will be 4. 320 divided by 4 equal 80 and the remainder 3. It's true or false? Again, 32. 320 divided by 4. We can divide it. 32 divided by 4 equal 8. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. This is a quotient, okay? The result will be here wrong because he gave us remainder 3. It's wrong. Letter D. If 1059 thousandths divided by 3 equal 365, then the quotient is 365. It's true. It was the quotient. 1095 thousandths is a dividend. It was a dividend. And 3 is the divisor. And 365 is the quotient. 1 and 3 over 5 not equal 5 over 3 because 5 over 3 equal 1 and 2 over 3 because 1 times 3 equals 3 and the remainder 2. It will be false. 1.7 is smaller than 1.69 hundredth. No, because if we equal parts about 1.7 and 1.69 hundredths, we must put a 0 here. It will be more than. So 1.7 is greater than, don't smaller than. We must put false here. It's okay. What about question 3? Choose the correct answer from the following data. Choose height of 20 pupils in class 40 in centimeter. It was the height of 20 pupils. We have the heights of 20 pupils in a class. What is the suitable method to represent this data? What is the suitable method of represent this data? We can use a line bullet. We can use line bullet because line bullet often used when the data choose numbers or measurements. It's okay. Again, we can use line bullet because line bullet often used when the data choose numbers or measurements, and we have the measurements heights here. And what about 4 and 4/3? We can add them. 4 plus 4/3, we can write 3 here. 4 divided by 3 equal 1 and remainder 1. 4 plus 1 equal 5 and remainder, and the result will be here thirds. The result will be 5 and third. Again, 4/3, it was 1 and 1/3. 1 and third. We can add whole numbers here. 4 with 1. 4 plus 1 equal 5, and we have fraction third right behind it. So we can write 5 and third. It was question 3. That's question letter C. Which of the following fractions is greater than 1? Greater than 1, we have 7/5, because 7/5 it will be 1 and 2/5. Letter C. Letter D, the digit 4 in 15.42 is in space place. He asked about 4. 4 lies in 10th, right in 10th. The division equation, the mathematical. Again, the division equation that matches 126 multiplied 3 equal 378 is. What is the equation matches it? With letter E, we can solve is letter A and B and C and D. Look at here, we can divide it 378 by 3 and the result will be 126. Okay, again 126 multiplied 3 equal 378. We can match is 378 divided by 3 equal 126. Letter F, 4 divided by 1 plus 1 multiplied 2. It's order operation. We must do division first. 4 divided by 1 equal 4 plus 8 divided 8 times 2 equals 16. 4 plus 16 equal 20. So we must choose 20 here. It's okay. Question 4, match. You want to match the result about this question. Who can solve it? We have here shape divided 10 vertical, and he colored 1, 2, 3, 4 from 10th. So letter A, we can choose 4 tenths or 40 hundredths. It will be 4 tenths or 40 hundredths. And what about letter B? Letter B has a shape divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and he colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts from 10. It will be 7 tenths. 7 tenths. And what about letter C? We have 5 parts chatted from 10 parts, so the result will be 0.5. Letter D, we have colored 9 parts from 10 parts. It will be 19 or 90/10th, 19th or 90/10th. Okay, we can choose with 1 and choose here, and 0.5 we will choose this, and 0.40 choose A with 2. What about question 5? Compare, write less than or more than or equal to 48 subtract 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 equal 10. Then 48 subtract 10 equal 4 minus 1 equal 3. 8 minus 0 equal 8. 48 subtract 16. 8 subtract 6 equal 2. 4 divided minus 1. Again, 8 minus 6 equal 2. 4 minus 1 equal 3. 32 subtract 6. 2 minus 6, we can't do it. We must borrow 1 from 3. 3 will be 2. 2 will be 12. 12 subtract 6 equals 6. And we can write 2 here. The result will be 26. And it was 38. 38 more than 26. 21 divided by 7 equal 3. And 21 divided by 7 equal 3. 0 divided by 7 equals 0. So 3 less than 30. 7 over 3 equal 3 in the numerator, and we can write 2 here because 2 times 3 equals 6, and the remainder 1. We can convert from improper fraction to mixed number, and 3 over 7 is then 2 1/3. So 2 1/3 will be more than 3 over 7. 3.434 more than 3.4. Draw a circle around the numbers that equal 6 ones and 42 hundredths. 6 1 and 42 hundredths. Okay, where we can choose 6 plus 14th and 2 hundredths. We can choose this number. Okay, it's operate, we can choose it because you want to find 6 ones and 42 hundredths. We'll choose 6 plus 40 hundredths plus 2 hundredths. Question 7. There are 15 birds on a tree. 3 over 5 of them flew away. What is the number of birds that flew away? 3 over 5 from 15. Okay, 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. So the result will be 9 birds. 36. Okay, again, enter number 8. Find 336 divided by 6. We know 33 divided by 6 equal 5 and the remainder 3, because 5 times 6 equal 30 and the remainder 3. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So the result will be 56. 6 divided by 6 equal 1. 7 divided by 6 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 18 divided by 6 equal 3. We can add 34.751 plus 13.143. We have equal parts here. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 1 plus 7 equal 8. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 1 plus 3 equal 4. And we have 3.240 subtract 1.230. 0 subtract 0 equals 0. 4 subtract 3 equal 1. 2 subtract 2 equals 0. 3 subtract 1 equal 2. So the result will be 2 and 10 thousandths. Question number 9. Look at the following data. Shows internet usage for friends. The data are given to the nearest fourth of hours. Use the following table, complete bar graph, then answer the question. Who used the internet the most time? The most time was 1/4. It was Amira. We can write here Amira. Who used the internet the least time? This time it was Islam. Again, used the least time. The least time it was Samir. Samir 3/4 it was Samir. But Islam 1.5. Inas 2 hour. Amira 2 and force. What is the difference between Inas and Samir? Inas and Samir. Inas 2 hour. Subtract Samir 3/4. It will be 1/4 because 2 will be 1 and 4/4. Subtract 3/4. You can write 1 here, 4 subtract 3 equal 1 and remainder 1. So the result will be 1/4. Okay, we can draw the internet usage. The internet usage. We can write here Thamir here, Amira, Islam, Inas, and we can write here force, half, quarter, 1 and fourth, 1.5, 1 and 3/4, 3/4, 2 and fourth, 2.5. Samir was 3/4, 3/4 here. Samir. We can draw using ruler. And Amir where Amir here, 2 and fourth, 2 and fourth. And Islam, where Islam 1.5, Islam 1.5, 1.5, was Islam, and Inas 2. Okay, we finished this exam. We must study hard. Okay, thank you my students. Goodbye.